Sterling silver tarnishing. Sterling silver is a popular metal for jewelry, utensils, and decorative items due to its brilliant shine and durability. However, it is prone to tarnishing over time. Understanding why tarnish occurs, how to prevent it, and how to clean tarnished silver can help you maintain its beauty. 1. Does sterling silver tarnish? Yes, sterling silver does tarnish. Tarnishing is a natural chemical reaction that results in a black or yellowish discoloration on the metal's surface. While pure silver is highly resistant to tarnish, sterling silver, 92.5% silver and 7.5% other metals, usually copper, is more susceptible due to the presence of the alloy. 2. Why does sterling silver tarnish? Sterling silver tarnishes due to oxidation and chemical reactions between the silver, the alloy metals, and environmental factors like sulfur compounds in the air. Sulfur reacts with silver to create silver sulfide, the primary cause of tarnish. Moisture and humidity. Water, especially salty or chlorinated water, accelerates tarnishing. Body oils, lotions, and perfumes. Contact with sweat, skin oils, and cosmetics introduces substances that speed up tarnish. Exposure to household chemicals. Cleaning products with ammonia, bleach, or sulfur contribute to faster tarnishing. 3. How long does it take for sterling silver to tarnish? Tarnishing can occur within days, weeks, or months depending on the environment and usage. Items worn frequently often tarnish slower due to regular contact and friction, which naturally polishes the surface. 4. Preventing tarnish on sterling silver. Store properly. Keep silver in airtight containers or anti-tarnish bags. Use anti-tarnish strips. These strips absorb sulfur compounds from the air. Wear regularly. Frequent wear reduces tarnish buildup through natural friction. Avoid contact with chemicals. Remove silver jewelry when swimming, exercising, or applying cosmetics. 5. How to clean tarnished sterling silver. Mild tarnish. Mix warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap. Use a soft cloth or sponge to gently wipe the surface. Rinse thoroughly and dry with a clean lint-free cloth. Moderate tarnish. Create a paste with baking soda and water. Apply with a soft cloth, rubbing gently in circular motions. Rinse and dry. Heavy tarnish. Line a bowl with aluminum foil. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of salt to boiling water. Submerge the silver and let it sit for a few minutes. Rinse and dry. 6. Is tarnish permanent? Tarnish is not permanent. It affects only the surface layer and can be removed through proper cleaning techniques. However, prolonged tarnish might cause pitting or dullness. 7. Myths about sterling silver tarnish. Myth: pure silver never tarnishes. Fact: even pure silver can tarnish slightly when exposed to high sulfur environments. Myth: tarnishing indicates low quality silver. Fact: tarnishing is a natural reaction in sterling silver and doesn't reflect its quality. 8. Sterling silver versus other metals. Tarnish comparison. Sterling silver tarnishes due to sulfur exposure. Pure silver, 0.999. Tarnishes slower but still can under extreme conditions. Stainless steel, highly resistant to tarnish but may corrode over time. White gold doesn't tarnish but may yellow over time. 9. Long-term care tips. Polish regularly. Use a silver polishing cloth to maintain shine. Avoid rubber. Rubber bands and rubber-containing materials can accelerate tarnishing. Check for damage. Inspect jewelry regularly for signs of corrosion or pitting. Sterling silver naturally tarnishes over time due to its interaction with sulfur, moisture, and other environmental factors. Proper care, storage, and regular cleaning can significantly reduce tarnishing and keep your silver looking bright and polished for years to come.